first time trying Born This Way matte foundation. So I'm gonna wear it all day today and see if I like it. I kind of already can tell I don't like it because my other foundation that I used to wear, that was a matte foundation, I did not have to set it with powder. That's what I like, that I could just put it on and keep it moving. I already could tell I'm oily in certain areas and I just put it on. Initially I was going to do a try on first impression video with this foundation, but I changed my mind. I want to make sure I like it because I'm not even sure what the window of time is for the return, so I want to make sure I like it. Then I would just do a tutorial for y'all. I'm going to be running to the store with my sisters and my niece today, so I'm just doing a real light beat and working out. So of course I wouldn't wear makeup when I work out, but I need to try this foundation, so I'm working out later on anyway, so it'll be a couple hours I'll wear with this foundation and I can see if I like it. I got low lashes. I'm so hungry. I just woke up, you know, brushed my teeth, washed my face. Oh, I didn't eat yet. So I think I'm going to stop at Dunkin' Donuts, grab something to eat. I'm already not liking this. Give it a try. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on because I want to do the whole makeup routine that I would usually do with this foundation. I want to give it a reason to not like it. I'm finished my makeup. I look okay. I'm gonna go see how I look in the natural sunlight. That's my cat. Nino, please, I'm trying to record. Nino making all that noise. But I wanted to show y'all what I got since I'm starting to work out. Sweet Sweat waist trimmer, and it came with a pack of their Sweet Sweat workout enhancer. Is this you just rub all on your stomach and your back area, and you would put this on, and when you work up a sweat, and you take this off, it is so much sweat in here. It sounds nasty, but that's what you want to have. Alright, so for just running to the store, I have on like a sports bra top that my mother gave me. She gave me a couple of these a couple years ago. And I have on some yoga leggings I got from Marshall's and some Nike flip-flops. I'm gonna change it to my tennis shoes when I go work out. And I have on this yoga, well, let me throw it on. This yoga jacket. I guess it's called yoga jacket. I don't know, workout jacket. I got from Marshall's as well. And I got this in a size medium. Alright, let's go start our day. Yeah, the makeup don't look too bad on camera. Let's go see how I look outside. That's gonna be the true test. Alright, y'all, my makeup look okay right now, but I forgot to tell y'all, I got a small Sweet Sweat, and this was too daggone small. It had me looking like biscuits was busting out of everywhere. The top, the bottom, rows that I didn't even know I had, but the whole time I got the wrong size, so I ordered a medium and that fit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off at the FedEx location. Yeah, that was too small, and I was dead wrong for that. And I'm about to call my sister because I just snapped on her. I told her I was going to be at her house at 11, and it's 11:20. She called me and texted me, and I was, you know, I snapped. I shouldn't have snapped because I told her I was going to be there a little earlier. So I'm working on myself. Let's give her a call. Tell her we're sorry, and we're on our way. Oh, it's loud. Sorry, that's in my car. It's loud. Am I talking too fast?
Hello?
Shanae?
Yes.
I apologize, baby girl.
It's okay.
I'm on my way now. You want to stay on the phone?
No, I'll be calling school and see.
Okay, I'm going to see you in a second, all right?
Okay.
I'm going to pick you up first, then I'm going to get Kia and Tails.
I have Tails in school. The kids said the Tails going to go get you in school.
All right, let me grab Kia then, and I'm going to come get you then.
All right.
All right. Bye. this our first time in the mall since the pandemic? Yeah. Well, this is the first time at this mall since the pandemic. What happened? First time at this mall since the pandemic.
Oh, yeah.
And
No, I've been here.
oh, you have?
This is why I had to get tail.
Oh, okay.
I got it, bro.
Y'all wanna come here? Yeah. I'd rather go to Hanes if it was me. The Hanes store. Reasonable.
They're not gonna fit you though. They'll fit you.
I want my bra size.
All right, we'll go ahead.
You have to go here to get fitted. Hanes not gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we need to get size. Okay. We can't actually do it, but we can walk you through it, okay?
It's loud. We're in Victoria's Secret now. One of my sisters want to get size, a bra size. And since the pandemic, they said that they cannot fit you, they can't size you, but they can show someone else how to size you. So one of my sisters is sizing the other one. But anyway, I haven't been at Victoria's Secret in so long because last time I was here, I got a black bra. That thing was $50 and it was a hot mess. And I was mad at them. So I've been getting my bras from other stores. I used to love me some Victoria's Secret, but they overrated now to me. I used to love Victoria's Secret fragrances and Bath and Body Works. I don't really use any of that anymore. It's been a long time.
Do you need any help today?
No, I'm with my sister. Stay up there. Thank you. I like these little, I don't know if I like all my toes hanging out like that. Like, hey y'all. But I kind of,
What are they? They Crocs?
no, they,
Oh,
are they cute? I like them.
I like them. What
What
size
they
are they? They got my size.
Behind
What
you.
are they?
And they got the white, but I think I like the black better.
Yeah, you probably need a 9. I probably need a 10.
I think they are
She got a good
cute.
size. She is 9.5, 10 and 1.
I kind of like them. Are they cute? Like comfortable when we walking around?
They look comfortable.
I don't know how I feel about all my toes hanging out like that. You like them tonight? Yeah, I really like them because it's buy one, get one 50% off, so mine's going to be 50% off. I like them. I like them when I got them. Look here. Let me take these. Can you do the honors? My sister's going to show y'all what I look like. Oh, I'm doing it. Let's go this way. She's all in my way. Well, let's go back this way. So, head to toe. Sure. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Check it out. Zoom in. I just feel like all my toes is like bam. But, you like them?
I like them a lot.
I like them. Yeah, they cute. One more up. There you go. They comfortable. No. They look cute. I like. They're really comfortable. I like these. How much are they? They $54 and it's buy one get one half off.
I think all of you.
Think I'm gonna get them. cute. These are cute. I mean, they are just giving it with these heels. I'm sorry. I even like these. These are cute little slide on, like little. This is what I'm talking about, Renee. You could wear stuff like this. I didn't know Forever21 had some cute workout clothing. They're really trying to get me to spend all my coins today, huh? Yeah. This felt good.
I know, I felt the leggings. The leggings feel really nice.
What's that? 14?
Look at these leggings.
Oh yeah, they feel real good. Okay, no price. Okay. That's how they doing. Who is stealing? What the heck? Oh, his little badass. Somebody badass child over there. Oh my god. Don't get your baby keys. So we're back in the car from the mall. I think this foundation is gonna be a no. I'm gonna give it one more day. I don't know if you can see. I did have a mask on, so that's why I'm gonna give it another try.
And my Old Navy bag.
All my foundations look like it's gone off my cheeks.
Yeah, my Old Navy bag.
And you can see my dark marks. So yeah, you about to go right on back.
Another one here.
Look.
You sure? See it right there.
Whew. We got so many bags. We trying to get the bags together.
I'm about to say, stop playing. You get punched.
Alright, so I'm on my way to Sam's Club to get my tires rotated. And also, my two front tires have been having issues. Both of them have been having slow leaks. So I'm going to get them to double check them. I'm not sure what the warranty is. But they need to give me some new tires or something because it should not be constantly happening. Another thing I don't like about Sam's Club is they don't answer the daggone phone. So you gotta keep calling to make an appointment because if you just walk in, they more than likely not gonna see you because they always slow or always claim they're so busy. Calling. I couldn't get in contact with somebody, so I went up there to make an appointment. So I kind of went off on the man, not being rude, but I'm like, Dad, y'all never answer your phone. What's going on? Like, I'm sitting up here waiting for like 15, 20 minutes for y'all to even come to the register. Why the man tell me that one of his coworkers died? I was like, oh.
Damn.
I know. I was like, yeah, sorry to hear that. So then I became real nice. I was being nice to him. But, still, this is a business to run. Y'all better answer your phone. So I guess I'm going to go this way because I need to park over here where the tires at for them to do our tire.
Is it most, ATM around here? Sound like your mama.
It was right there. You already see that?
Is it the most machine?
Come on, girl. You gonna let me go or not? Yeah, she do like she can with that.
She can't handle it.
Yeah, let me get like this. Pull up. I don't like the way this camera is.
Y'all gonna wait for me while I walk over to it? To the most machine?
Well, I gotta go and put my car. I mean, you know, go in there and give him my keys.
I know I said y'all gonna be right here.
No, did you not hear what I just said?
Huh?
I gotta go give them my keys.
Inside. We gotta go inside.
Oh. I'm sorry, God. It's just so damn go tight.
They're gonna find your car in the parking lot.
Yeah, it's right here right now. I feel like
California tags? Must be
tight.
Well, she might be from California.
I don't know. This should be a good spot. Alright, we get everything out the car so they won't be. Alright.
The bags too?
No.
Oh, okay.
They shouldn't. They better not go back there. We about to fight.
If my whole stimulus check gone, you're stupid.
Oh,
Somebody died tonight.
gosh.
You're stupid. Get your cups in the trash.
okay. Trash police.
No. So, back in the car and did not get my tires rotated. Let me tell you what. I was gonna say his name, but the guy he told me his name. He wanna say
Homeboy said.
they tried to call me, but I didn't answer. No, you didn't call me because my phone never rang. One of his coworkers wound up in the hospital, and he get ready to leave, and the other guy's by himself and they're behind, so they can't rotate my tires today or put air in my tires or whatever, see what's going on with my tires. I told them this is unprofessional. Like, I would never get tires from y'all again. So
I don't know. Was that some fault? No, they either.
if I don't get my tire service from them, if I go somewhere else, that makes my warranty. So I gotta go to them get my tires fixed. So it's just so unprofessional. It made me so mad. And we was out today running around doing stuff, and I had to cut everything short to be here on time for my appointment just for them to say they can't do it. That's so annoying. So Sam's Club, if y'all ever get tires from Sam's Club, rethink
Okay.
it.
All right.
Shit.
We'll stop and get.
Alright, y'all, so I'm not gonna show y'all my stomach because it ain't where I want it to be. Y'all not gonna see a before without the after, so I'll show y'all a picture of both. But this is when I took off the sweet sweat, and my stomach and back look just like this, so I really do like this.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.